Sandy from parkerlings.com, and one of the things that we've been growing outside is cucumbers, and harvest time has begun. We've had a huge harvest. Those are from about 6 cucumber plants, and there's still quite a few left. They're a combination of Marketmore and Pickling cucumbers, and Dad is now working on getting them sliced up for us because we're going to be making bread and butter pickles. This is a mix for the spices that you can get from Menards for a couple dollars, and you simply add vinegar and sugar to the mix, bring it to a boil, and then hot pack can it in mason jars. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I just thought I would share our wonderful, bountiful harvest of both Marketmore and Pickling cucumbers with you. It's probably about maybe 10 pounds of pickles in the end, so we're real pleased with what we got. The directions say to mix the vinegar, sugar, and spice packet together in a non-reactive pan just up to the boil, so not yet boiling. And so that's what we have here. And I'm doing this in a stainless steel pot, and it is on an induction hob, so I am keeping the temperature, I don't know if you can see that, at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I was at, which is medium. So we're just finishing up having sliced all of the pickles and put them in jars. The jars are hot because they've been in the oven. We then bring them over to our area to add the pickle brine. The brine is here, and I've just had to make some fresh, so we're just waiting for it to come to the boil and be fully dissolved. It's just about there. When it's fully dissolved, we then use the cup measure and fill up to a ½ inch below the top of the jar. We use this cocktail stirrer to go down and remove the air bubbles from the liquid. We put a lid on the top and then hand tighten the screw top, and that's what we've got so far. We've got about 18 jars, and this is the first batch of 5 in the water bath canner. So that is our process. Once they've been in the hot water bath canner for 10 minutes, we'll then let them sit there for 5 minutes to cool slightly, and then once they've cooled off, we'll set them on the counter to cool to room temperature overnight, and then they'll be ready. So that is our process, our bit of a mess here for making our bread and butter, zesty bread and butter pickles. Here I am refilling the hot water bath canner. I've got my five jars back in. I will let this come back up to a boil, and then I will start a 10-minute timer. There are my first 5 jars, all canned zesty bread and butter pickles. So here are our 19 jars of bread and butter pickles. These are one of our favorite kinds of pickle, and with 19 jars, that ends up being a pretty good haul of pickles. So these will sit here overnight. Most of them, I think all but one of them, have sealed. It's just this one here so far that hasn't sealed. It probably won't. It'll be in the refrigerator, and that'll be the first one that we eat, but all the rest have been sealed. And so these will be here. And Phil, when you get back, you'll be able to try some of our sweet, zesty bread and butter pickles. So I've been Sandy from parkerlings.com. Thanks very much for watching this quick video of how we made and preserved our cucumbers and made sweet bread and butter pickles, zesty bread and butter pickles. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if there are other videos like this, if there are some specifics that you'd like to see us shoot. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.